So we're just getting ready to head out on the kayak. We're gonna go down to Hunter Springs and put in there because that's right near the springs where the manatees hang out. This place is actually quite active for an early Friday morning. I used to come here all the time when I was little, but they recently revamped the whole park in the past couple years, so it's really nice now. But now we have to pay to park. So you know when you like completely take for granted what you have like right outside your back door? Perfect example. Charlie's getting the kayak blown up now. Thank God for this thing and this pump, so he didn't have to do it himself. These manatees up here are like rolling all around in the water. I've never seen them do that. Charlie says it's because they're humping, but I'm not sure I believe him.
For sure they're humping.
But he was a manatee tour guide, so maybe he knows what he's talking about.